Now, let's talk about how to most effectively use images, custom rows, and image marking together. In this example, we're looking at a kitchen nook with two windows, window I and window J. You can see there are a few additional dimensions here that we may want to capture. Now, one way to do this would be to create custom rows and name each one very specifically. For example, you might name one custom row, window I, left trim to left wall. Another custom row, window I, right trim to window J, left trim. And the third custom row, window J, right trim to right wall. But as you can imagine, that gets pretty long. You have to stop, think about the naming, type it all out, and those names can even exceed what comfortably fits in the field. At that point, it becomes slow and a little clunky. So instead, let's look at a faster and more practical approach. Once I've finished measuring window I, I'll scroll down and add a photo of the wall. Now, knowing I want to capture a few extra dimensions, I'll tap into the Edit Image tool and select the Freehand Drawing option. From there, I'll quickly draw a line for the first measurement and label it A. Then I'll draw a second line and label it B. And finally, a third line labeled C. Now, instead of writing long descriptions, I simply create 3 custom rows named A, B, and C. From here, I can quickly capture those measurements, whether I'm using a laser, a Bluetooth tape measure, or even entering them manually. This combination of image marking and simple custom rows is incredibly powerful. It lets you move quickly in the field while still clearly documenting exactly what each measurement represents. And the more you use it, the more you'll start to develop your own system. You'll find what works best for you, how you like to label things, and how it fits into your overall measuring workflow. We really encourage you to experiment with this, because once you dial it in, it can significantly improve both your speed in the field and your clarity back in the office when ordering the products.